Hello everyone, this is Namita Basnotra and this is a video on mensuration. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find the perimeters of some objects around you. So let's begin. Perimeter of regular polygons. In the first video, we had done questions up to question number 11. And now, in this video, we will be doing questions from your NCERT book, exercise 10.1, from question number 12 to question number 15. So let's begin with the question. This is question number 12 from exercise 10.1. The question is, two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 14 centimeter. The perimeter of the triangle is 36 centimeter. What is its third side? So first thing we have to do is we have to assume that the third side or the missing side is of x centimeter, right? After that, we will write what is given to us, the information given in the question. So I will write side 1 is equal to 12 centimeter, side 2 is equal to 14 centimeter, and perimeter is also given. So I will write perimeter of triangle is equal to 36 centimeter. But tell me, the perimeter of triangle is what? It is the sum of all three sides. That's why we have written perimeter of the triangle is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So we'll write the lengths of the side here to find the perimeter. Now, when we look at it, so this whole gives us an algebraic equation that you have already done. So I will start substituting the values in this and I'll come to my final answer. So my side 1 is 12 and side 2 is 14 and side 3, which is x we have assumed, and the perimeter is, sum of this side is the perimeter of the triangle, so that is 36. So when I add 12 plus 14, I get 26. After that, I'll transpose. This is plus 26. When I take it on the other side of the equal to, it will become minus 26. So my answer will be 36 minus 26 means 10 centimeter. So the third side is 10 centimeter long. So let's read question number 13. It says, find the cost of fencing a square park of side 250 meters at the rate of rupees 20 per meter. So first of all, what is given to us? The side of the square is given to us, that is 250 meters. That means if you have a square park, one side here is equal to how much? It is 250 meters. But then we have to fence all the four sides of the square, right? So to fence all the four sides of the square, we will be adding them up, or we will be finding the perimeter of it. And we know the formula how to find the perimeter of the square. So we will write perimeter of the square is equal to 4 into side. Okay, so that means that is equal to 4 into 250 meters, which is equal to 1000 meters. And we will now try to find what is the cost of fencing. For that, we will write first the cost of fencing, the rate of fencing which is given. And what is the rate of fencing which is given here? The rate of fencing is rupees 20 per meter. And how long is the fence? The fence is 1000 meters long. That's the length. So I'll say the cost of fencing for 1000 meter is equal to rupees 20 into 1000, which is equal to rupees 20,000. Therefore, the cost of fencing a square park is rupees 20,000. Let's do question number 14. It says, find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 175 meter and breadth 125 meter at the rate of rupees 12 per meter. So now what is given to us? The length is given to us and the breadth is given to us. And to find the cost of fencing, we should know first how much fence is required. And for that, we will be finding the perimeter of the rectangular park. So let's begin by writing what is given. What is given to us? The length, 175 meters, and the breadth, which is 125 meters. And we know the formula of the perimeter of a rectangle. So we will write perimeter of the rectangular park is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So after substituting the values, we get 2 into 175 plus 125. So when we add 175 plus 125, we get the sum as 300. So we will multiply 2 by 300 meters, which will be equal to 600 meters. Now that we know the total fence that is required, we will find the cost of it. So what is the cost of fencing? The cost of fencing which is given to us is rupees 12 per meter. So the cost of fencing 600 meters will be 12 into 600, which is equal to rupees 7,200. Fine. So the total cost of fencing is rupees 7,200. So question number 15 is very interesting. So your Sweetie and Bulbul, two friends are there, and both of them are going for the morning walk. And the beautiful situation here is that Sweetie is taking rounds of a square park, right? And whereas Bulbul is taking rounds of a rectangular park. So they both are trying to figure out who is actually covering more distance or who is covering the lesser distance. So let's do this and let's try to help them by solving this question. So the question says, Sweetie runs around a square park of side 75 meters. Bulbul runs around a rectangular park with length 60 meters and breadth 45 meters. Who covers less distance? So we have to find out who is walking less. Let's begin. So the first thing we will do is we'll try to find the perimeter of the square. So the perimeter of square is 4 into side, which is equal to 4 into 75 meters, because this is the distance covered by Sweetie, and Sweetie is covering 75 meters of a side of a park. So the total perimeter will be 300 meters. So that means distance covered by Sweetie is 300 meters. Whereas distance covered by Bulbul we'll find the perimeter of rectangular park, which is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. We know the formula, and we'll try to now substitute the values. So this is 2 into 60 plus 45, which is equal to, when you sum it up, 60 plus 45, how much is that? That is 105. And the double of 105, that is 2 into 105, is equal to 210 meters. We have to find out who covers less distance. So your answer will be, come on, Sweetie or Bulbul? Yes, you're right. Bulbul covers lesser distance than Sweetie. So children, now we will be doing the remaining questions in our next video. This is Namita Basnotra. Until then, bye-bye.